Typhoon Trami pounded western Japan before heading toward Tokyo on Sunday. NHK television reported powerful winds and heavy rain forced the cancellation of more than 1,200 flights. Train service was suspended as well. More than 1.5 million households were ordered to evacuate. All right, let's go to the CNN Weather Center. Meteorologist Pedram Javahiri is standing by. Pedram, good to talk to you. Tell us what we need to know.
Yeah, this is a storm system that has set many records across this region. Of course, we've had so much rainfall in the last couple of days with a system that we were tracking for about a week's period now. And after it made landfall very quickly, now migrating off to the north and east, and really beginning to see actually clear skies after the system passes here. So conditions in that sense are beginning to improve. But notice this, when it comes to tropical systems, typhoons, super typhoons in the western Pacific this season, we've just about exceeded every single one of those for what we're supposed to see, climatologically speaking. About 0.5 meter of rainfall scattered about from portions of southern Japan into central Japan in the last couple of days. And of course, wind gusts in excess of 150 or more kilometers per hour. All of this in and around Tokyo, so certainly seeing some disruptions across that region. And when you talk about some 1,200 flights being impacted, you can see why with a system with this strength moving across the area. But that's to the north, and that's all out of here. But notice what's happening to the south. That's the next system in line here. Very impressive presentation, much like Trami was about a week ago. And of course, a very impressive system. 175 kilometer per hour winds. That is equivalent to being just shy of what would be a Category 3 system sitting out there. And tell you what, the next 24 hours, it not only exceeds Category 3, maybe gets the borderline Category 4 equivalent, and then remains rather strong for a couple of days. When it impacts areas around Ryukyu Islands, that would be in the middle of the week. It weakens just a little bit, still close to a Category 3 system. And then beyond that is when it gets really tricky here as far as where this system ends up sometime, say, between Thursday and Saturday. In fact, the most reliable models, the American and the European, almost going entirely in different directions here as far as where this system is going. So we're going to watch this as it approaches the southern portion of the Ryukyu area near Okinawa, and then update you as the week progresses. Guys?
Thanks, Pedro. I'm sure Japan will be glad when storm season is over.
Oh, my goodness. Yes, absolutely.
They've had so many. Thanks, Pedro.
Thanks, Pedram.
And outside